Name?
Hello po, my name is, Jay Francis, but you can call me Jay.
Age?
Mature enough to get married to my wife.
Age?
35 years young.
Year? Today's year?
Today is 2025 of November the 5th.
Question number 1. How do you feel about your incoming wedding?
Oh, the wedding. The kasal of the century. Nagpumunta man lang yung taga-abroad at nag-travel yung hindi, nag-travel ng bus para lang pumunta. So busy. Busy yung lahat at saka pagod yung lahat. Pagod the yard. At saka magastos.
Question number 2. What's your message to your bride?
Oh. Dahan-dahan lang ako kasi yung bride ko nasa behind the camera. Baka itapon yung camera sa akin. Makinig ka sa asawa mo, okay? Makinig ka. Love you.
What is your message to your future self 2 years from now?
Hello, Sal. Hello, Doyo. Kaya pa ba? Kaya mo pa. Ipaglaban mo lang yan. Dahil sa pag-ibig. Dahil mahal mo siya. At palagi kang makinig sa asawa. Kapya mo yan. Okay, this is interview. Okay. State your name, age, and year.
Name is Macram Francela Bengola Bautista. Soon to be Mabutin. Age is 29. And the date is November 5, 2025.
Okay, these are the 3 questions, okay? Answer it with your, as honest as possible. How do you feel about your incoming wedding?
I feel excited, happy, and excited. Just excited.
Oh.
And thankful. Thankful for all the people that is coming and all the people that has going to be part of it. And thank you to my future husband.
Okay. What is your message to your husband?
It's gonna be a long one. Pero ang masasabi ko lang, mahal kita and sana we grow old together. Number 3.
Okay, number 3. The last question, the most difficult one. Message to yourself 2 years from now.
2 years from now, I hope you're happy and you are where you want to be. And strong lang and makinig ka din sa asawa mo paminsan-minsan. Kahit mga once a year, ganon. It's good. Yun lang.
Okay, that's all. And for the future, we'll review this question 2 years from now. Okay, if it is really what is happened.